Every brand has a miracle cream, and for Medik8, it's Ultimate Recovery. Developed to minimise downtime associated with aesthetic treatments, it has become the go-to product to target all types of dryness concerns. Ultimate Recovery is simply a skin saver. The rich, nourishing formula helps restore the skin's barrier function and dramatically improves its appearance. It can be used daily on all skin types. Every morning and evening, apply a small amount of Ultimate Recovery directly onto the skin. Ultimate Recovery absorbs quickly while providing a protective, soothing layer to the skin. Ultimate Recovery can be reapplied throughout the day if needed. Leave to absorb before applying your next product. In the morning, Ultimate Recovery should be followed by the application of physical sunscreen SPF 30.